Well, breaking news to report on this Wednesday, April 29th of the year 2026. We have some bad news. The United States Supreme Court, the conservatives have really shown their true colors, not for the Constitution, but for protecting the upcoming elections to help Republicans. They have sided against essentially what was set up protections to stop minority areas in our country from having their voting populations diluted by being gerrymandered out. So, in response to President Trump calling for Texas Governors Abbott and the other governors to gerrymander and make more districts for Republicans, and then Democrats, of course, understandably responded by saying, you guys are changing the goalposts, you're not even waiting to the census to do these gerrymandering things, we're going to respond. So in response to that, Chief Justice Roberts and the so-called conservatives, now really monarchists on the Supreme Court, have decided to essentially say that racial segregation in voting districts is A-OK. They've thrown out the voting map for some gerrymandering in Louisiana. So this, of course, now essentially does end part of a Civil Rights Act that was passed way back in the 1960s. So we now know where, for sure, if we didn't know before, where the Supreme Court stands in aiding and abetting Donald Trump into trying to have a forever stranglehold over political power in this country. It is a very disgraceful day. The Supreme Court, instead of holding the rights of the Constitution of people in this country, have decided to help a certain political party and Donald Trump.